Hi, and happy Valentine's Day. It's Monday. I'm Janet, and this is my Monday Live. Every Monday for about 15 minutes, I'm going to show you some kind of cool little software tip or trick. So, since it is Valentine's Day, I thought it might be kind of fun to see how easy it is to create custom greeting cards using Microsoft Word. So, let's pop over to here, and I'm going to do a little housekeeping. In case you're interested in our upcoming Monday Lives, you can go to our website, virtualinstructor.com. And if you click here, Monday Live calendar topics. So today we're talking about creating custom greeting cards in Word. Next week, I'm going to show you some tips on working with lists in Microsoft Excel. And then the following week, I'm going to show you how to create infographics in PowerPoint. So if you don't want to miss out on things, you can go over to our website and you can put in your name and email address, and then we will send you a little reminder 1 hour before the session. So let's go over to Word now, and I'm popping into Word. It's just a blank Word document, and all you have to do is go up to File and then go down to New. And when you do this, this brings up a bunch of templates. And I think I've done one or two lives where I've been talking about templates and things, but this time it's going to be specifically about greeting cards. So if you click on cards, this brings up a variety of cards for you. Now, of course, you can create your own custom ones, or you can just modify these. So I'm just going to randomly pick some. I didn't open them up before, so you can see how easy it is, even if you the first time you use it. So here's a happy birthday one. So we'll do a happy birthday and then we'll go into Valentine's. So I'll just click on it. And with any template, when you open it up, it gives you an option to create it. And then as soon as it does, it opens it up in whatever program. So in this case, we're in Microsoft Word. I'll go over to View, and I'm just going to tell it to show me just the one page. So it shows us our page, and we just have this happy birthday one. And so you can come in and fill it in however you want. And then when you go to print it, let's go to File and go down to Print, and we'll take a look. And so it basically is half of an 11.5 by 11 by 8.5 piece of paper. So right, you can then print it out, fold it, and you've got a nice little card here for yourself. All right, I'm going to go back over into Word, and we're going to go back to File, and I'll go back to New. And here's some, and we'll go back to cards. And then if you scroll down, you'll see there's there's business cards and other type of cards too. But then we can get into some cute Valentine's ones. So down here, here's a fun one for children. So you know how, well, this is going to date me, but a long time ago, we used to go get these little boxes with these little cards that we give Valentine's to all the kids in our class, right? Well, here's a fun one. So if I click on this one, we'll create it. And then this is cute. You could print it out and actually just cut along with it, but you could also personalize it if you wanted to. But they've got some really fun little cards. Look how cute all these are. So if you wanted to, you could print out some of these. Most of us have nice color printers. And a little plug, I'm not going to get any, I'm not an affiliate or anything, but if you have an HP inkjet printer and you're not using HP ink, you're missing out. It is a great deal. You can print color things out. You can save a tremendous amount of money using HP ink. All right. So that was a little plug because that's what I use for my printing, and I don't worry anymore when I go to print out. So it's kind of nice. So this is pretty cute. I'm going to go back up to View, and then let's go to multiple pages so you can see. So look at all these ones that they give you. You just print them out and then have your kids fill out who it's to, so forth. All right, I'll go back over to File and back to New, back to Cards, and we'll scroll down a little bit more. And you've got graduation cards, get well soon cards, Father's Day cards, Mother's Day cards. You even have baptism, and you have this one is one that you can actually have print out back and a front that's already printed if you wanted to. And again, remember, you can go in and modify any of these if you wanted to. Here's one for a party. Here's just a regular botanical card set. So let's open that one up. So I hope you're seeing how incredibly easy this is. You just bring it in and then here it is. Look how pretty this is. Apple pear. I hadn't seen this before. I told you I'm just opening them up so you can kind of see as I see them. But these are really pretty. What a pretty nice, simple little gift you could give to someone, right? So we'll go back over to view and then multiple pages. Nice way to see. Oh, I guess I'm on multiple pages. Let me go to view, print, and let's see how it looks. So they give you 10. Wow, look at that. So again, you'd print it out on an 8.5 by 11 piece of paper. You could get the shiny paper at one of your, through Amazon or one of the, different places like Staples or Office Depot. And then it would look really pretty. Then you could also put your own information in. So remember, you could print this out and then you could handwrite it, or you could put an extra blank piece of paper, blank like a page break or something, and write your own message in there as well. Alrighty, so I'm going to go back over. This is probably going to be a relatively short Monday Live because I think you're probably getting the idea of how you can find these things. But we'll go back into new one more time, go back over to cards. And as I scroll down, I'll just let you take a look at some of these different ones. So if you are doing business cards, they've got lots of samples for you for that. And let's just scroll down a teeny bit more. Look at these. These are real pretty. They look like real cards. And here's one that's kind of fun. It's a holiday one, but I'll bring this one up because you could actually substitute your own picture in. So I'll show you a little shortcut once it opens up. I'm not sure why it didn't open up. Let's go back over and try that one more time and create that. And well, that's interesting. I'm not sure why it didn't decide to open up on this one. Let's go back to view one page. All right, well, that's not a good choice. All right, well, let's try one more. We'll do one more and then I'll wrap it up for today. And I think if you're watching this, you've kind of gotten the idea of how to pull these up. I'm not sure why that one didn't work, but let's bring in, well, I'll just bring in this little photo baptism invitation. I just want to show you how easy it is to change pictures out. So I'll load this one up. All right, so maybe you want to put your own child's picture or somebody else's picture in here. Now this works with anything. It works in Word, PowerPoint, Outlook, you name it. So if you have another file that you want to bring in here, you can right click on that and you go to change picture. And then if you want, you can click on from a file and go bring in a file from your hard drive. You can go to stock images, online sources. And if you have something on the clipboard, you can choose that. So I'll just go to stock images. Let's see what we've got over there. And so you can just go find whatever it is that you want. Let's just choose this one. It looks like it's new. So I'll choose that one. I'll insert it and watch how easily you're able to keep the same setting so it fits in there really nicely, but you can easily substitute. So then you could, if you didn't want some of this stuff, here's a little trick for you. I've been using this today while I was doing some training guides. On the home tab, I want to select a bunch of these things, right? So you can go to this thing called select and you can choose select objects. And then it turns your mouse pointer more into like a pointer. Let me make sure I get this select objects here. Looks like it's not going to, apparently this is not going to work for this one. So, so I guess instead I would have to hit delete and then I could get rid of this text right here. Let's see what happens. There we go. And then I could just go ahead and put in my own text if I wanted to. All righty, so it's a short one today. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Happy Monday and happy Valentine's Day. Bye.